Hey everyone, this video is to go over how to replace your rear brake light on a 2010-2013 4Runner. Let's get to it. So there is to get to the bulbs, there is this panel here that you get access to, and here's a little notch where you can stick a flathead screwdriver to pry it open, and just kind of pull a little bit, and there you go. Then down here is your signal. So I don't know if you can see, so signal, reverse, and brake light up top. So what we're going to do is take out the brake light by turning it counterclockwise. You can hear that click. Pull it out. There you go. So that's your OEM brake light bulb. So, and then we're going to replace it with this LED bulb that I got from Amazon. I'll be sure to put a link in the description if you like what you see. So they're a little bit bigger and longer. There are about, I don't know, about 12 LEDs on here. So we just pull that one out, and then we're just gonna plug this one back in. Then we are going to stick this back into the brake light housing. And then just get a feel for it, and then you'll hear it click, turning it clockwise. I think that's it. Yep, that's it. All right. So here's what it looks like once it's in there. And take a look at the OEM bulb. That's the OEM. So, and then we can just, well, what we're going to do is turn the car on and see what they look like. Be right back. So now let's start the car and see what it looks like. So I'm going to be stepping on the brake, turn it on. Brakes off. And let's turn on the parking lights and see. There's the parking light. And then here's the brake light. So on the pedal, off the pedal, on the pedal, off the pedal. It's a little bit bright, so it's probably hard to see. I'll see if I can get another video when it's darker, so to make it a little bit more obvious. We'll catch you later. All right, welcome back. As you can see, it's nighttime. Let's take a look at the difference between the OEM bulb and the LED bulb. So on the driver's side is the OEM bulb, and on the passenger side is the LED bulb. So let's turn on the parking lights. There you go. And then let's go on the brake. There you go. So off the pedal, on the pedal, off the pedal. Looks like the OEM bulb is a little bit brighter. Not by much. Well, there you have it. Difference between OEM bulbs and LED bulbs. If you have any questions, feel free to post a comment. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Otherwise, hope you enjoy the video. Bye.